Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today's video is going to be a little bit different just because I didn't get any video. As you know, I started working at a secondary company this week to stay busy because my work got slow. So they sent me actually to an old job site that we did. If you remember the ginormous warehouse that I was really loving, they sent me back there. It's with a different company, so I don't know why they got it and we didn't or whatnot, but basically they took over for the inside job or whatever, since we basically just did like the lighting and the panels and stuff like that. So basically just brought power in and put lights in and stuff like that. So when I got there, I was really surprised that they took all the lights down that we hung basically in the whole warehouse. It was just mind-blowing that they took out all our lights. It took us like, I don't know, it took us at least 2 to 4 weeks to put them up at least, and then like, let alone bringing all the power to the lights and stuff like that. There's like a box at each light or whatever, if you remember me just like piping through the ceiling like for like a week straight. So anyways, a ton of wasted money. I don't know what that was all about, but they're changing out all the lights or something stupid. And to some like, the lights that I think they're changing to are like the tube lights, and the ones that we had were better and they were LED, so I'm not sure exactly what that's all about. But you'll see in the pictures that there's basically just pallets of lights, so I don't know if they're throwing those away or if they're returning them or what, but that's a lot of money. And anyways, I'll show you the pictures. Basically just putting pipe in the ceiling all day, which was really nice because my legs are really sore from the weekend. I can barely walk right now, so that's really nice. And it was good to be back at this job site. I really do like doing stuff in the ceiling and on lifts, but I was just really tired this morning, or I was tired, hungry, and at the end of the day I just felt like going home. They said that we can work whatever hours we want or whatever, but they're working extra to try to make up for the job site or whatever, because they only have a limited amount of time to finish it, like 2 months. They want to get it done by April or something like that. So they're working like 11 hours a day or something like that from like 6:30 to 6. So we can basically work that or not. So basically I left at 5 today, and unfortunately lunch is not paid for. So I had to take a half hour out for that. So I only got 9.5 hours instead of 10. And I basically could have stayed the extra hour or whatever till like 6 p.m. But I was just really tired and I didn't feel like it. So anyways, hopefully they don't like really care about that. It's not like, hopefully I'm not going to go work for them later and they'd hold that against me. But anyways, it is what it is. They gave me the option and I took it. So anyways, I'll show you the pictures now. And yeah, if any of you guys remember, if you've been here for long enough, that was like, I feel like that was like at least 4 months ago, if anyone's here. I'm sure there's some of you remember the warehouse project. They basically brought in a ton of like Costco shelves, and they're just like straight to the ceiling. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. I'll show you guys the pictures. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, it'll help me out. And if you want to follow along and wait for uploads and live streams, make sure to hit the notification bell. And I think that's basically it. Check the description for social medias. Thanks guys so much for watching. As always, God bless, and I will see you tomorrow. And I'll try to get some videos for you guys on lunch. I was just trying to feel out the day and stuff, but I can get some videos on lunch and stuff. I really don't have much to eat. They give us like 2 30-minute breaks or whatever. So anyways, peace.